Well, everyone, I just bought a certified refurbished iPad. This is an iPad 8th generation, and I wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of what a certified refurbished iPad would look like from Apple if you're planning on buying it. Now, it comes in different boxes. You can see we have this plastic sealing around it, which I'll go and basically rip off. And it's not as great of a packaging as it is like on a standard iPad that you'd buy. Like the box is a little bit of a different feeling. I've unboxed a couple of these before. This is the third time or second time I'm filming it. And this is the 8th generation iPad that I'm unboxing, so this is not even the latest one. It's not the 10th or an iPad Pro. So taking the sticker off, you can see it's a very minimalistic type of boxing. Now if I go and take off the top, the box itself does feel kind of the same. You can actually see mine came a little damaged in the bottom right corner, which is actually pretty crazy. Taking the box out doesn't feel as premium as the standard box, but it's totally okay. Now when you unbox it, you will have the iPad right here. So for this case, like I said before, I had an iPad 8th generation that I just bought. So you can see right here, it looks pretty good. There's nothing super crazy about it. You do have these standards, like placing the sticker around it. So what I can do is I can go and just take the sticker off. So I can just go and take this, peel this off just like so, and take this off just like this and place it to the side. And I can go and power this particular iPad on. Now with this iPad, it is the iPad 8th generation, so it's not anything super crazy. It's a pretty basic iPad as you probably would have seen. It's still supported with software. That's the main reason why I bought it, because it is getting iPadOS 16. Now taking this to the side right here, if I go and set this down, we can go and see what else is in the box. So you can see right here, I'm basically getting the pamphlet. So I am getting the standard type of, whatever this is, the, Apple stickers I think are still in here and everything like that. Funny enough, I was not expecting this. We are getting a USB Type-C to Lightning connector, and we are getting the charging block as well. This is the bigger charging block. I'm actually surprised. I don't remember. I think these came out in 2019 or 2020. So for it to be giving us these types of cables and this type of power cord is actually pretty cool. So that is that. It's not anything super crazy as you can see, but this is basically what you're getting in the box. You're getting this standard type of material, same everything that you probably expect before. But it is cool that for a certified refurbished iPad, they're still giving you the power cord and still giving you all this other stuff when they probably didn't have to. So that's what an unboxing of a certified refurbished iPad looks like in 2024. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.